The machine that hit the $10 million jackpot at Westgate last week was an IGT Megabucks Wolf Run Eclipse slot machine. An anonymous player from Atlanta won exactly $10,292,912.32. It happened on Tuesday, June 16, 2026. The person only played for about 3 minutes and hit it with a single $5 max bet. Westgate shared photos of the machine showing the big jackpot number on the screen. The winner stayed anonymous but celebrated with casino staff on the floor. Jackpot slot winners in Las Vegas and Nevada casinos generally can and often do remain anonymous, primarily because there is no legal requirement for casinos to publicly disclose their identities. Unlike many state lotteries, winners simply request privacy, and casinos respect that choice while still promoting the win for marketing purposes.